everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this class we are going to learn which are the major formula required to study the coordinate geometry of grade 10. So first formula it is distance formula. So first it is P of x comma y is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. They given a points 5 comma 6 and 7 comma 8. That time we need to name the points as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So afterwards we have to write the x2 and x1 values and y2 and y1 values. We need to simplify the numbers. Afterwards we'll get it answer. Then distance from the point origin. Suppose one of the coordinates is 0 comma 0. That time it will become a x square x square plus y square. There is no difference between x1 and x2 because only one coordinate is there. So other one, suppose this is a 0 comma 0. That time we will get it x square plus y square. So now we'll go to the concept section formula. They given a points. First point is A, second point is B. So that two line. So suppose this is a line. So starting points A, it is ending points B. So this ratios. This is internally if it is divided, it is m is to m1 is to m2. So it is in the ratio are divided into. So section means we are dividing that line segment. So that time we have to apply the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So to remember the formula we can use the logic 1 2 2 1. m1 x2 m2 x1 1 2 2 1. See here 1 2 2 1. So using this logic we can apply the section formula or remember the section formula in an easy way. If the ratios are m1 and m2 is middle way, means 1:1 ratio, that time we are applying this formula. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is a section formula. So this is a distance formula. In both the cases we are getting a two formula. If they given a between the points we are applying this formula. If they given a between the points, one of the point it will become a 0 origin. Origin means the coordinates are 0 comma 0. X is 0, y coordinates also 0. That time we are applying this formula. Then this formula when we are applying the last line segments ending points are given and the ratio is given, we are applying this formula and the ratio is middle way or else in the midpoint, that time we are applying this formula. So these are the major formula we need to remember while solving a coordinate geometry of grade 10. If you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.